Hello my lovely internet friends. I'm trying really hard not to move because this is the squeakiest chair on the planet. I really don't have a plan for this video. I just wanted to talk about friendships and making friends, and it's just been something that's been on my mind lately, and I just kind of wanted to like word vomit, so we'll see what comes out while I'm filming this video. We all have those friends where, you know, where you're friends, really good friends for a while, and then suddenly they just disappear, or suddenly they're not as active around you, or they just don't like or you guys just don't hang out as often as you used to. I guess I'm just wishing that it weren't always like that. I don't have a group of best friends that I can just turn to whenever. Most of the time I just feel like I'm bothering people when I, reach out. And whenever I reach out and someone doesn't, it's not really reciprocated, and I really want this friendship to work, but I'm just not feeling the back and forth, I drop it. You give what you get, and if I'm giving a lot and I'm not getting anything, then I'm just eventually just not gonna give anything anymore. It's almost like a relationship, I'm lucky that I have a twin and she's my best friend and I have her to lean on. But growing up, I kind of always dreamed of having that group of best friends. They were your go-to ride or die. I always dreamed of having a group of people like that, but it just never happened. My sister and I talked about this, and I do think that a lot of people think that because we're twins that we don't want to have, another bestie or another person, but we do, and I know she probably feels very similarly as I do. There's always enough room in someone's heart to make more friends and to have more best friends. There's always room. I think when I've come close to having those friendships, they're kind of fleeting. They last for a little bit of time and then everyone just kind of moves on, and that's just part of life. It always kind of makes me sad a little bit that people have to, part ways. I'm someone who, when I love somebody, I am attached. And as I'm sure most of you guys watching are as well, you get attached to people that you care about. And I always kind of was envious of people who had like a big group of friends and they'll stay friends forever. And maybe that's not super realistic, but it's something that I always hope to have. Growing up as a child, I had my twin, and if you guys watch Full House, you know the twins Nikki and Alex. There was an episode where they were in preschool or daycare, and they would only play with each other. And me and my sister were very similar, to the point where it made us reserved around other people, that we were really, really shy around other people. We stuck by each other. And this isn't all the time, but for the most part, we were kind of like that. So as children, we didn't really step outside our comfort zone with making new friends or different friends. As I got older, I started to make friends a lot easier. I was in musical theater classes, so I made a lot of friends there. The problem is, as a teenager, there's a lot of drama and all that stuff, so it wasn't always super healthy. As a teenager, I did have a best friend. This best friend was actually a best friend that I thought was going to be, a forever best friend. I loved this person, and I thought the world of them. And then as the years went on, this friendship ended up crumbling. This person started showing their true colors, and I was so heartbroken with the fact that I realized that this person was actually an asshole. Something else that has come up is whenever I meet people that I really care about and that I feel that strong friendship with, those people ended up moving and moving away, moving to different countries, moving back home, and it sucks. As an older teen, like around 18 years old, I would turn to, online, and I made a lot of online friends, and I think that's okay. I think it's healthy to even have friends that are more like pen pals. I don't know, I'm just like talking in circles now. the only thing that you can do is to continue making friends and building bonds with people. Befriend yourself, because you'll always have your own company, really. So thankful for you guys, for my sister, for the friends that are watching that know me in real life, that you guys are saying, what is she talking about? I love you. And know that this isn't about you if you're supporting me and I know you in real life. It's just how I've been feeling lately, and I'm just letting this out on camera, just being vulnerable, I guess. That is it for me for today. That is my truth. This is just how I'm feeling today. But, you know, things can change, as most things do. I really appreciate you guys listening to this kind of chit-chatting rant-ish thing. And if you relate to any of this, just comment in the comment section. Let me know. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel and want to join the Slitherbell Army here on YouTube, hit the subscribe button below, and I would love to have you part of my YouTube family. If you want to follow me on my social media accounts, then all the links are in the description box below. You can check that out. And that's it. I will see you guys in my next video next week. Much love, guys. I love you so much. Bye. Okay, I am not wearing just a bra, okay? This is a dress. It's just spaghetti strapped and stuff, okay? Just saying.